Welcome back to our channel. Hope you are a lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about 17 ways to get more views, engagement and share for your Facebook videos. Over 8 billion videos or 100 million hours of videos are watched on Facebook every day. These stats were reported early last year, so imagine how much larger the numbers are today as Facebook continue to grow and double down the videos. With Facebook video being the top priority of marketers in 2017. In this post, I will learn 17 actionable tips to increase the views, engagement, shares of your Facebook videos. With Facebook constantly evolving and introducing new features. Now let's take a look at each tip in detail. Number 1. Create square videos. Earlier this year we spent $1,500 find out what make videos successful on social media. And we found that square video outperform landscape video in terms of average engagement, views and reach, especially on mobile. Square video take up 78% more real estate in the new feed on mobile than on desktop. We have been using Animator to create simple short videos and Adobe Premiere and After Effects for more professionally produced videos. The second tip is to catch people's attention within the first 3 seconds. Facebook video autoplay in order to captive user attention and convince them to watch more. BuzzFeed has become a master at this. Here's how they have done it. Number 1. Tease the video with a short post update. Sometimes it is the title of the video itself. Other times they tease what the video is about. Immediate start. BuzzFeed does not waste time in capturing people's attention. How to uploading a custom thumbnail. When you upload a video, you can select a thumbnail or add a custom thumbnail for your video. The third method is add caption to your videos. Even though Facebook now autoplays videos on the mobile news feed with sound, Facebook user can disable the autoplay with sound feature and video will autoplay without sound if the mobile phone is on silent mode. Alternatively, you can add text to overlay to your videos using a video editing tool like Animator. The fourth method is suggest viewers tab for sound. Another neat way to work around the silent autoplay Facebook video is to suggest viewers tab for sound with a pop-up. The style of the pop-up is in line with the Kingsman theme. It is also well timed as it does not prevent you from seeing any crucial bits of the video. The fifth method and the tip is focus on one key point. If you want to make a shareable video, focus on easy to understand point. This is a tip from popular YouTube creators. The point is, if you cannot summarize it in one sentence, then it is going to take someone longer to explain it when they are trying to share it. If your video is easy to understand, viewers would be more likely to share it. The sixth step is upload your video natively. Video upload onto the Facebook natively perform way better than link to YouTube or similar video platforms. The seventh tip is create a descriptive title. Facebook recommends choosing a descriptive title that will make the video easy searchable. You can add the title when you upload your video onto Facebook. The eighth tip is create a Facebook specific copy. If you have a presence on multiple social media platforms, you might sometime want to share a video to several platforms. Here's the two key characteristics of Facebook and how you can make good use of them. High character limit of post. High character limit for comments. The ninth tip is give a preview of the video in your copy. Taking the time to watch a video can be a time commitment. Sometimes it can help to provide a little information about your video in your copy so that people can quickly decide if you would be worth their time to watch your video. The 10th method is add a call to action. Having a call to action on your video is a great way to encourage engagement. It might be common to think of CTAs as buttons to sign up from a website. While Facebook has removed the call to action function for video, there are still 7 free ways to add a CTA to your Facebook video. For instance, Gray Bernhardt likes to include this share beer in the middle or at the end of this video. The 11th tip is engage, tag other pages. Another feature you can use to try and spread your Facebook video is tagging other Facebook pages that either contributed to the video or that you would like to make aware of the video. The 12th mechanism, choose preferred audience for your videos. According to TechCrunch, who studied the Facebook news feed, relevance is a key factor that Facebook algorithm considers when ranking posts on user new feed. When you click on it, a pop-up will appear where you can set the following: prefer audience, audience restrictions. Use insight to understand video performance. Facebook provides metrics like minutes viewed, video views, and average watch time, which can provide great insight into which video generated the most engagement with your viewers. Some of the metrics I like to look at include video average watch time, 10-second views, post engagement. The 14th is to go live. If you want more people to watch your video and see your Facebook post, consider going live on Facebook. The 15th tip is feature a video on your page. Facebook allows you to feature a video in the videos tab of your page, which would autoplay. This can be a great way to showcase your best video to those who are interested in watching your videos. The 16th tip is boost with Facebook ads. Facebook in-depth data on its user make it a great platform for running ads to reach a larger audience with your video. Select the video view as your marketing objective. Step 2, set your audience, AD placement and budget. Step 3, upload a video or select one from your page's video library. Step 4, craft your copy. And step 5, add a CTA. The 17th tip is embed Facebook video on blog post. You can embed your Facebook video on your blog post to reach more people. Copy and paste the code where you would like the video to appear on your website. You can select whether you want to include the copy of the post. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.